Hello and welcome back to Fandom Stationery. So today we have got this new pen, and the name of this pen is UNOMAX. So it is a very colorful pen. It can be used for kids and all. It's a gel pen, and when we open up this pen you can see the refill of this pen, which is a gel refill. So this is the overall thing about this pen. So the design of this pen has got a cartoonish kind of thing. So it has cartoons. So the cartoon of this pen is Tinkerbell from Disney. So the overall build quality of this pen is pretty basic. It does not come with a rubberized grip or something like that. It comes with a normal kind of grip. The overall body of this pen is covered with characters from Disney, and the overall build quality of this pen is pretty nice. The price of this pen is 10 rupees, and for 10 rupees this pen offers a pretty nice gel ink. The ink flow or the writing quality of this pen is pretty nice, and the ink flow of this pen is also pretty nice. Overall the pen is very good, and this pen is nice. And now let's test whether this pen's ink is waterproof. So I am using here a sprayer. So yes, the pen's ink is waterproof, and that's a nice thing. So I would give this pen a rating of 7 out of 10, and yeah, that's what I would say.